This video is about beard oil. What is it and how do you use it? Now, beard oil is a mixture of natural oils used to improve your hair's strength, nourish the skin, nourish the hair, improve growth. I mean, overall, beard oil improves the beard experience. Now, if you want to know how to find a good beard oil, even though I use handmade beard oil, subtle plug, I do recommend that you try a bunch of different types. It can take time, but you'll find one you love. And it really helps you get past that awkward stage of the beard if any of you are like right about here. So me personally, I like to brush and style and straighten my beard before I apply beard oils. Beard oils are like the last thing I put on, next to beard balm. But you can put beard oil on after a shower with your beard nearly dry. Your beard will absorb the nutrients like crazy then. But I like to use beard oils in my morning routine. By the way, check out my mushroom pants. Anyways, after not yet, you need heat protectant spray. Okay, now it's straightened and I can get to the oils. Now, a lot of people say to do 8 to 10 drops. Personally, I like to put about a quarter size of oil in my palm and rub it around. And then run it through your beard at the level of your face. Run it through your beard a little bit, just make sure it really gets in there. Start with 8 to 10 drops and then work to what you find comfortable. And enjoy the benefits. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and share this video. Help get the info out there. All love.